Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this delicious egusi soup. I will be using the following ingredients: turkey, dry fish, fresh fish and pomo. I have big crayfish, I have egusi, I have blended pepper, bonga fish, shaki and stockfish. First, I will put my turkey into the pot and then add some seasoning, curry. I will be adding some salt and then I will add Maggi. I will be adding some of the grinded pepper and then stir this and then take it straight to the fire. I will cook this for 10 to 20 minutes or until it is well cooked. I will go ahead to cover this up. Now that my turkey is well cooked, I will be adding shaki and stockfish. I will add my dry fish and then add my fresh fish and pomo. I will add a little onions to this and then I will add my Maggi and add some water to cook this up. I will cover this to cook for another 10 to 12 minutes and then open up and add my washed crayfish and then I will add dry fish as well and stir everything together. At this point, I will be removing my cooked fish in order not to break inside the soup. Now that I'm done removing all the fish, I will go ahead to add my egusi. I will stir this up. Guys, in cooking your egusi, I will not be adding oil to this. I will cover this to cook for another 2 to 4 minutes and open up. I will add my cooked fish. At this point, you can add your pepper soup spices. You can turn this into the pepper soup, but for today's recipe I didn't do that, so I just went ahead to cook the egusi without adding oil to this and it came out delicious. Our soup is ready. You can use this to eat any swallow of your choice.